Mark, what are your words of wisdom?
None. I have none at all.
I love this guy.
Mike Tyson, his last fight, he was 58th. He lost.
So are you trying to say that you're going to lose?
Absolutely not.
There you go. All right.
Best man wins.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Go.